Napansin nyo ba? They have a trained dog, oh. Sumama sa kanila sa going boating. That dog kanina I was observing, naligo sa beach. Mukhang very comfortable na siya. So we're here in Panglao, our last day of property checking, verification search. Bumalik na yung doggy. Hindi, akala ko sasama siya, but that dog was frolicking dito sa beach area kanina. Balik na siya. Mukhang trained dog to eh. Si doggy. Ayun, bumalik. Mukhang taga dito, no? Because he's so at ease of place. This is Panglao right now, no? Year 2025 October. Very developed, no? Long stretch, puno ng establishments yan. From here, yan, going there. You can pick up din to, no? Because if you observe, no, yung place na to, almost siguro 70%, 60 to 70% you have Korean tourists. There's a direct flight going Tagbilaran, going here to going to Korea and vice versa. So, init. Very clear yung water. Tiga doon yung aso. So what they did here compared sa Boracay, they have yung protective na walkway that serves also as parang stair or benches. No? So this one. Naka-distance not very far, almost 10 meters sa beach area. So it serves also as a protective wall in case of surges, no, sa dagat.